Whether you're jamming in your bedroom or performing on stage, one thing's for sure: your guitar deserves a safe place to rest. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best guitar stands that combine reliability, protection, and smart design. Let's dive right in and find the perfect match for your 6-string companion. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Fender guitar stand. The Fender guitar stand is an essential accessory designed to keep your electric guitars and basses safe and secure. This A-frame stand is specially crafted for a wide variety of instruments, from classic models like the Fender Jazz Bass and Jazz Master guitar to more unconventional shapes such as the Jackson Rhodes and Kelly. One of the stand's standout features is its height-adjustable padded body rest. This allows musicians to customize the stand's position to ensure their instrument is held comfortably and securely, no matter its size or shape. Additionally, the dual adjustable yokes provide extra versatility, accommodating different body styles with ease. To ensure the instrument remains firmly in place, the stand includes an adjustable retainer arm. This feature adds an extra layer of security, especially when you're moving around in a busy studio or during a performance. Whether you're placing your guitar for a quick break or storing it for the night, the stand ensures it stays exactly where you left it. However, it's important to note that the Fender guitar stand has been tested and determined safe for use with standard polyurethane finishes. The manufacturer has not tested the stand for compatibility with vintage, lacquer, or nitrocellulose finishes, so it's recommended to use it at your own risk if your instrument has one of these finishes. Whether you're an avid guitarist or a casual player, the Fender guitar stand offers a reliable and adjustable solution to keeping your instrument safe and within reach when not in use. Coming in at number 4, the Gator RI-GTRAU2X guitar stand. The Gator RI-GTRAU2X guitar stand is a versatile and reliable solution for guitarists looking to keep their instruments safe and accessible. Featuring a dual A-frame design, this stand can hold 2 electric or acoustic guitars simultaneously, making it an ideal choice for stage performances or studio settings where quick access to multiple instruments is essential. The stand's locking padded arms provide a secure grip on each guitar, ensuring that they remain in place while also offering protection from scratches and dings. This thoughtful design helps to keep your instruments in top condition, whether they're in use or being stored. Compatible with most standard guitars, the Gator RI-GTRAU2X accommodates a wide variety of acoustic and electric body styles. Whether you play a classic dreadnought, a sleek electric, or a custom-built instrument, this stand offers the flexibility you need. Built with durability in mind, the stand's steel frame ensures stability and reliability, even during busy performances. Its rubber feet prevent any slipping or shifting, providing a secure foundation for your guitars at all times. When not in use, the stand can be collapsed and folded flat, making it easy to store in tight spaces. This compact design is particularly helpful for musicians who need to maximize storage in their practice areas or transport their stand with minimal hassle. With the Gator RI-GTRAU2X guitar stand, your instruments are always ready for action and protected when not in use. At number 3, we have the Pyle PGST43 guitar stand. The Pyle PGST43 guitar stand is a versatile and practical solution for musicians seeking an efficient way to store and display multiple guitars. Designed with a universal compatibility feature, this stand can accommodate electric, classical acoustic, and bass guitars, making it an ideal choice for guitarists with various instruments in their collection. One of the standout features of the PGST43 is its ability to hold up to 7 guitars at once, alongside their bags or cases. This makes it an excellent space-saving solution for studios, rehearsal spaces, or stages, where space optimization is essential. The stand helps maintain an organized and clutter-free environment, allowing musicians to easily access their instruments without worrying about clutter or damage. Crafted with a durable metal frame and enhanced with rubber padding, the stand ensures the secure placement of instruments. The rubber padding acts as a protective barrier, preventing scratches and minimizing the risk of potential damage during storage. This thoughtful design prioritizes the safety of your guitars, preserving their condition over time. Additionally, The neck and body rests of the stand are covered in velveteen rubber padding, offering a gentle yet effective safeguard for the instruments. This extra layer of protection helps keep guitars in pristine condition, free from unsightly marks or scratches that can occur with less careful storage methods. The Pyle PGST43 also boasts a collapsible design, allowing for easy setup and breakdown. This feature makes it highly portable, perfect for musicians on the go, whether for gigs, rehearsals, or other musical events. With its combination of functionality, protection, and convenience, the PGST43 stands out as an excellent choice for guitar enthusiasts seeking to keep their instruments safe and organized. Next up at number 2 is the Gleam CG-4 guitar stand. The Gleam CG-4 guitar stand combines classic design with modern functionality, making it an ideal choice for musicians looking for a reliable and convenient way to store and display their guitars. Whether in a home, studio, music store, or recording room, this stand's traditional style offers a timeless look that complements any environment. Designed to ensure safety for all types of guitars, the CG-4 features a soft backrest and foam-padded arms. These elements provide gentle support, effectively preventing scratches or damage to the instrument. The stand is suitable for guitars ranging from 36 to 42 inches, including ukuleles, banjos, and violins, excluding jazz guitars. Non-slip feet further enhance stability, keeping the stand firmly in place even on smooth or slippery surfaces. One standout feature of the Gleam CG-4 is its foldable top and bottom cradles, which significantly reduce its storage size. This feature allows for easy transport, making it an excellent option for musicians who need a compact stand for traveling. The cradles can be folded down, saving valuable space without compromising the stand's structural integrity. In addition to its portability, the CG-4 includes a height-adjustable design. With a rotatable height range of 25.6 to 28.4 inches, musicians can easily customize the positioning of their instrument. A locking ball on the top ensures that the stand head stays securely in place, preventing any bending or instability. The Gleam CG-4 guitar stand is backed by a commitment to customer satisfaction. If it doesn't meet expectations, the company promises quick resolution of any quality-related issues, ensuring that every customer experience is positive. This stand is a great addition to any musician's collection, offering a blend of functionality, safety, and convenience. Finally, at number 1, we have the Amazon Basics GFS70 guitar stand. The Amazon Basics GFS70 guitar stand is an essential accessory for any guitarist seeking a reliable, safe way to store their instrument when not in use. Designed for both acoustic and electric guitars, this A-frame universal guitar stand offers a sturdy yet lightweight solution for your musical needs. One of the standout features of the GFS70 is its adjustable width settings. With 3 different width options, the stand can accommodate a wide range of guitar shapes, ensuring a secure fit for most standard instruments. This makes it an excellent choice for musicians who own multiple types of guitars or want a versatile stand for different instruments. Crafted from durable metal, the stand is designed to be both lightweight and strong, making it easy to transport without compromising on stability. The no assembly required design ensures you can set up and use the stand immediately, without the hassle of putting it together. This is particularly convenient for musicians who need a quick and hassle-free way to keep their guitars safe. To protect your instrument, the stand is equipped with soft foam arms and a backrest, providing cushioning to prevent any damage to your guitar's finish. These features ensure that your guitar stays in pristine condition while resting securely on the stand. When not in use, the stand folds flat, making it easy to store or carry with you to gigs or practice sessions. The non-slip rubber feet provide added stability, ensuring the stand stays firmly in place, even on smooth surfaces. Overall, the Amazon Basics GFS70 guitar stand is an affordable, reliable, and practical option for guitarists looking for a simple yet effective way to store their guitars safely.